Right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I've got the sun behind me there. How's that? Any better? Yeah, welcome back. I've got another car. Another one, hello. So what you didn't see was, off camera, I sold the little MX5. The last video I'd done on it was the video I've just put up, which was the seat getting repaired. Well, I say repaired. Me and my daughter had a little play with it to see if we could make it look a bit better. So if you haven't watched that, just click the little thing up there and you can watch that. But that was the last video I'd done on it, because there wasn't really much more I could do with that. So I've sold that and I've got something else. So do you want to see it? Okay, I'll show you. You ready? It's another one, another MX5. I'm not sure if this one's worse than the last one, but she's a bit of an old wreck. Excuse the bike, it's my mates. I haven't got into bike life yet, but here it is. It's an absolute piece of poo. This is all gone, similar to the last one. Don't know what's happened here. It looks like they've tried to repair somehow, but they've used staples, which is a bit dark because you're putting holes into it, but that's the inside. It's just absolutely caked in mould. There you go, clean lens. That's just mouldy. I think it's actually crashed into Halfords because it's got rip speed all over the place. See the pedals, whatever these things are, carbon, that's what that is. Carbon seat covers. I haven't had them off yet, it's probably minging. All that's mouldy. They've cut this off. This is, I don't know really what's happening there. So that's the passenger side. Hydraulics. I put it on charge, like I said, because 12.8 volts. It was properly flat, to be fair. A bit of rust here, look, that's all starting to bubble. To sort that out. These are absolutely minging, as they all are on MX5s. Don't know what that is, like some Schultz spray or something. Let's have a look in here. Oh, 5p. Nice, we're up. We are 5p in profit so far. What's this? It's all a bit scratched with. Hello. £1. Oh god, that is disgusting. How does a pound coin go mouldy? Really? Yeah. More mould in the back. And now there's some kids coming over to say hello. Sorry, kids on the estate. Oh, parking ticket. What's the date? Can't really tell. Oh well. Looks like that's rotten out as well. What else? No idea what the mileage is. Let's have a look. I think I'm gonna have to disinfect myself after sitting in here. It's properly grim. Oh, it's got one of those immobilizers on it, I think. Yeah. Let's have a look, see what happens. Turn it on. Right, so the light just flashed. If push that. There we go. Right, we've got power again now. 125,000. Woo! Oh, seat heater's on. Don't want that on. Not seat, sorry. Windscreen heater. Yeah. Right. Anyway, 125,000. Let me just move the mic. There you go. Hope you can hear me again now. Showed you that. That's been cut. 125,000. It doesn't run. It's got no MOT. And 0.1 less volts as well after having that rear heater on. Basically because there's holes in this, matey covered the roof with like a tarpaulin or whatever, yeah, but he only covered it to here, he didn't cover this bit. Sorry, can you see that? The fuel cover. Now in here, pop the fuel cap. That bung or drain, whatever, was blocked up. So he said this filled up with water, and he reckons that this isn't watertight, which he's probably right because it's not the original cap. Let's have a look. Fucking bloody get it undone. There you go. So that's just one of those temporary ones, and that looks a little bit corroded as well, to be fair. So I reckon water's got in here, filled it up, and it's gone in the tank. So what we're going to have to do is drain the fuel tank and then refill it with nice clean unleaded minimum 95. Yeah, so we're going to have to do that. Haven't looked underneath. This is going to be the first view, and it was probably would have been better if we didn't look, because she's pretty crusty. Yeah, let's leave that for now. But yeah, we're going to drain the fuel tank in the next video or next couple of videos, and we'll try and get her running. Like I say, it's on charge now. That's about it really for now. All the paint needs a good going over, it needs a good wash. Gloryhole.com, that's going to have to come off. Oh, it also needs a new lens cover thing, doodah, whatever that is. Get a new one of them, stick that on. Other than that, it should be alright. Got some alloy wheels, paint's all faded a bit, lights need doing. Yeah. So yeah, there you go. There's the bongo, look at the bongo. So, as we are back in the world's smallest shed, where you can both elbows either side. Yeah, that's it. The new Nugget. So we're gonna try and get it running. Hopefully get an MOT on it. Might even take it auto test racing or whatever you call it, car club. Gonna have some fun in it again. Do some skids. It's a 1.6. Forgot to say that. It's a UK spec. So there's no LSD or anything like that. So it's pretty much bottom of the list. There will be some more, obviously a lot more videos coming up on the MX5. I've got lots of bongo videos coming as well. Got to do that crank pulley, which was in a couple of videos ago. Got to get that sorted, so I'll be doing that. There's some more 335i bits coming up as well. Just waiting for parts. We all got corona, so we're all well, we had corona, but we're all better now. But it put us back like 10 days, so waiting for bits. So yeah, subscribe below. It's 335i content coming up. Bongo probably in the next couple of videos again, and obviously loads of MX5 videos coming, so hit subscribe, it's free. And also we're going to be doing another giveaway soon. Last time we gave away the scent diffusers, might do the same, might do something else, don't know yet, I haven't decided yet. So yeah, but subscribe below if you want to know. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Cheers guys.